me, bro. On me, on me. I hit him. He's one shot, Man, get out my face, boy. Get out my face, bro. You trash. Let's go, bro. Get off me, bro. Clip that. Clip it, bro. Quit playing with me, dude. Quit playing with me, bro. Just like that. I don't even play this game, bro. Dude. My face. I made him get off. He rage quit. He rage quit. I'm about to get off anyway, bro. I made the man rage quit. Oh. Hey, bro, what you watching?
Yeah, mate.
I never seen this before. Alright, man. I'm about to go to bed, man. I'll catch you later.
Alright, man. Hey, man, can you turn the light up for me?
Yeah, bro, I got you.
Thanks. Hey, what the hell? Didn't I tell y'all to stop snoring?
Hey, my bad, man. My bad. You know, I be... Yeah. I got you, dog. Okay.
Yeah, this is a warning right here.
Okay.
God dang, bro, I can't never get no sleep when I come to this man's house. I'm gonna do something about this time. Man, didn't I tell you to?
Hey, man. Okay.
Man, didn't I tell you to stop all that snoring?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You got one last chance.
Okay, man. I'm sorry. I just haven't got sleeping days.
One more last chance, see what's gonna happen.
All right, man. All right. Dang, man. God damn.
A few moments later.
Man, I'm finna call some man, bro. Yeah. Hello? He did it again. He just come over. Alright. Thanks.
God. Oh, why you hit me so hard, man?
Cause you need to stop snoring too loud.
I can't help it, man. All right, man. I'll stop snoring.
Oh, no. You don't want to know what happens. There are new rules here.
Who are you?
You don't need to know who I am. I can also change colors. I'm not done.
Yo,
I'm gonna do more than hurt you. You're gonna feel pain.
Okay. What the I must be dreaming. Yeah, I'm probably lucid dreaming. Yeah, I'm lucid dreaming. That's all I'm doing. Ah, 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 ah.